Healthy eats for a fit lifestyle typically involve recipes that incorporate nutrient-dense ingredients, balance macronutrients, and support overall well-being. Here are some general categories of healthy and wholesome recipes: lean proteins, grilled chicken breast, baked fish or salmon, turkey or lean ground meat, whole grains, quinoa brown rice, whole wheat pasta, oats, colorful vegetables, leafy greens, spinach, kale, arugula, bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, sweet potatoes. Healthy fats: avocado nuts, almonds, walnuts, olive oil, fruits, berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, apples, bananas, citrus fruits. Dairy or alternatives: Greek yogurt, low-fat cheese, almond milk or other plant-based milk. Hydration: water, herbal teas, infused water with fruits and herbs. Here are a few recipes: grilled chickens, old grilled chicken breast with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and a light vinaigrette dressing. Quinoa bowl: quinoa mixed with roasted vegetables, bell peppers, zucchini, and carrots, topped with grilled salmon or tofu. Stir-fried veggies with brown rice: colorful stir-fried vegetables like broccoli, bell peppers, and snap peas served over brown rice. Smoothie bowl: blend berries, banana, Greek yogurt, and a handful of spinach, topped with granola, chia seeds, and sliced almonds. These are just examples, and there are countless variations to explore based on personal preferences and dietary needs. If you have specific dietary requirements or preferences, let me know, and I can tailor the suggestions accordingly.
Kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Ms. Coffee.